This is Forces and Newton's Laws, number 4. It says, write statements that demonstrate your understanding of Newton's second law. Example, if I cut the mass of the system in half, the acceleration would ... So, if mass goes up, then the acceleration goes down. If force goes up, then the acceleration goes up. And if mass goes up, then the force goes up. So if you double the mass, then the acceleration would be halved. Example, if the force is 10 and the mass is 2, you get 10 equals 2 times acceleration, which is acceleration equals 5 meters per second squared. And then if you double the mass, so the mass equals 4 now, but the force stays the same, 10, then you get 10 equals 4 times acceleration, and you get A equals 2.5 meters per second squared. And so therefore it goes from 5 to 2.5, and it is halved. Then, if you triple the force, then the acceleration will also triple. So example, if force equals 10 and mass equals 2, 10 equals 2 times A equals 5 meters per second squared. And then if you triple the force, 30, and then mass equals 2 still, you get 30 equals 2 times A, and you get A equals 15 meters per second squared, and therefore the acceleration is tripled. If you halve the mass, then the force will half as well. And so example, mass equals 10 and acceleration equals 3. So force equals 10 times 3 and force equals 30 newtons. And then the mass equals 5 and the acceleration equals 3. So force equals 5 times 3 and F equals 15 newtons, and therefore the force was halved.